Good morning, guys. Roger at CU Scrapping. Well, I took a load of shred in this morning, 720 pounds. Had a couple of drop-offs here at the shop. Had somebody bring in 3 dehumidifiers. So you know what that means. It's time to play dehumidifier recall roulette. See if we're a winner on any of these 3. And then this is a first for me. One of those tankless water heaters. So we'll take this apart probably this afternoon, and we'll see what all the hype is about. Hopefully it's good. Here in America, I don't know if they're doing copper tanks or stainless tanks, but we'll find out this afternoon. So let's go check on these dehumidifiers. All right, guys. Well, unfortunately, there's the 3 models. None of them turned up to be on the recall list. So some of you may be wondering about the recall. In North America, a number of years back, actually, let me pull this up. What you need to do is just Google dehumidifier recall. The first one that pops up should be a Consumer Product Safety Commission link. Click on that, and there are 2 million dehumidifiers recalled. Additional information, they added new numbers, new serial numbers on August 12th, 2001. I believe okay, it wasn't that much before that this started. It was August 4th, 2021. About 2 million units. In addition, about 380,000 in Canada and about 25,000 in Mexico. So if you're one of my Canadian scrapping friends, check your dehumidifiers up there too, because you guys will qualify for this. So you basically scroll down, and here is your manufacturer, and then they give lists of model numbers. You just scroll down. There's Aon, Amana, Arctic Air by Danby, Classic by Danby, Commercial Cool, and so on. Just find your manufacturer and the model number, and if it's on this list, you go down to the very bottom, and you can see there's quite a few on this list. Okay, consumers stop using. It's been a while since I've actually, I believe it's over here, this report an unsafe product. I apologize, no, that is not it. But somewhere on here, if you find your make and model on here, you'll go to a set of instructions. There we go. So yeah, you click on that, and it will show you. You'll enter your brand and model number here. and they will verify that it's on the recall list, and then they'll give you a set of instructions on what you need to do to claim the recall. I have had something as simple as sending in pictures of the labels with your name and date written on the dehumidifier. I have had to send in like a 6-inch length of the plug-in, and one I had to peel off the labels and send those in with the plug-in. Each one has their own way, but this will walk you through it once you confirm that your dehumidifier is on the list. So that's something to keep in mind. I have gotten anywhere from $80 to $120 for a recalled dehumidifier, and you get to keep the dehumidifier. Once that check comes in, scrap it out, and you still get the money on the dehumidifier. So keep that in mind, guys, and I will get off for now, and we will work on getting that tankless water heater ready to go and disassemble for you. Hey guys, well, I was going to tear this thing down for you today on this video, but things got busy. I did get the 3 dehumidifiers tore down, but I took a load of aluminum in today, and then I picked up 3 air conditioners from a property owner slash landlord, friend of mine. She says they all work. I'm going to test them out. She just replaced them. She does a lot of preventative stuff and keeps really nice places. So if they work, I'll list those on Marketplace. It's supposed to be like 94 degrees this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So these should sell like hotcakes. In addition, I've got this one that I picked up last week that I think works. So I'm going to spend tonight getting those tested, and then I have got to clear this bench off. That's that stack from the computers. I got a TV circuit board there. I got to get the plastic off of it. I've got motors to tear down. My grinder is buried. So I'm going to spend tonight cleaning this crap up so I can work. And we'll get that instant hot water heater tore down tomorrow. Also trying to get a load of copper to take in tomorrow. It won't be a large load like I normally take in, but paid all my bills today, with the exception of rent. And I'm getting low on funds, and I've got boxes that I got to send to Boardsort. I'm gonna have 3, 4, at least 4, maybe 5 large flat rate boxes. I got Scrap for Cash playing in the background here. This box alone here has got memory in it, all my I-series CPUs and pinless CPUs. This box alone, let me get the figure, $579.05. So this is a box of gold finger cards. That one's like $64. So yeah, I'll have a nice payday coming from Boardsort here in a couple of weeks. Plus I've got to get a hold of my Southern Illinois e-waste buyer. I've got all them laptops. I've got a barrel full of power supplies there, and there is the overflow on the power supplies. I'm starting to run out of room here, so I need to get some wheels in motion. I gotta get all that shit cleaned up too. Get these TVs done. So yeah, I need to spend this evening organizing. Maybe tomorrow, but I certainly hope not, because I need to get that load to Bloomington. I need to get that instant hot water heater tore down. So that is the plan for tonight. Watch for the video tomorrow on the instant hot water heater. Actually tomorrow or Thursday, depending on when I can get it out. And until then, we will see you scrapping.